Hi there. Maybe you've just finished a unit on lines. Maybe you're studying for a midterm or an end of course exam, and you're trying to figure out, do I know all the things about lines that I am supposed to know? Well, this quick video, we're going to go over the key things that you should know about lines when you have finished a course of study in them. So first off, you should know the formula and the definition of slope. Slope is usually represented by a lowercase m, and the formula for it is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You should also be able to count slope on a graph using rise over run and interpret slope as a rate of change in an application problem. You should know that a vertical line will take the form x equals a, where a is some number. So for example, if you saw x is equal to 4, that would be the equation of a vertical line where the x coordinate of every single point on that line would be a 4. A horizontal line will take the form y equals b, where it might look something like this, y equals -3. That would be a horizontal line. The slope would be 0, and the y coordinate of every single point on that line would be a -3. Then we get into the forms of equations of lines. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept of the line. Point slope form takes the form y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. This is where m is the slope and x1, y1 is any point on the line, but usually not the y-intercept. Could be, but it's usually not. You should also be able to go from point slope form to slope intercept form. And lastly, we have standard form, which is ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are all integers. If you are well fluent in your lines, you should be able to move back and forth between these three forms, at least within reason, and you should be able to write the equation of a line given the slope and a point, or given 2 points where you could find the slope. If you can do those things, then you are fluent in what you need to know for your key information about lines.